All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here actually in Seneca County. But check this one out here, 28 by 36, you can see here. Black roof, green, forest green, actually it's 100 green, metal and black trim. But again, all this metal, 40-year guarantee. Okay, paint, chalk, fade, and then the roof metal as well. So the sidewall metal, 40-year guarantee, and then also the roof metal, 40-year guarantee. But what it is 29 gauge. Now there's different types of metal out there, and you probably see, 29 gauge metal can mic out. When I say, I don't get real technical, but it can go from like 0.04 or 0.038 to like 0.052, depending on how they roll it and so forth. But so you want to look at that, and then 28 gauge is thicker, then also 26 gauge is more commercial grade. So that kind of gives you an idea on the metal there. But let's just check this building out here. You can see a nice green there, and the overhead doors were installed. See that? So a nice contrast with the white with the green. Again, a foot overhang. You can see black fascia soffit. So everything looks neat. And again, also this white liner panel underneath the porch. Again, this can come a variety of colors as well, but a nice complement accent. And then around the windows here, the 3x3 windows right there, a white trim as well. You got the white man door. So actually a clean looking building here. And not gonna vinyl wrap this for now, these posts, but maybe in the future. But this kind of gives you an idea here. Let me just show you right around the back of this. But a nice clean building, 28 by 36. You can see set up for a 2-car garage. And I'll show you here. You can see there the detail on this. All right, so no windows in the back or anything like that, but this kind of just gives you an idea here what you can do as far as color coordination there. I don't see a lot of greens. Green seems to be not that popular. I mean, this color of green, but I think it looks pretty sharp here with the black and the white. Actually turned out pretty good. So kind of give you an idea here. All right, so here's the back side of the building. And then it's got a nice 8-foot porch. So any questions, boom, leave them in the comment section. Like the video, boom, like the video. Till the next one, keep it locked, loaded right here. Attica Lumber since 1925.